Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Kling AI. In order to do so, first off, make sure that you're logged in with klingai.com, and once you are, you should be met with a screen similar to this. From this screen, you can scroll down and you can see all of the different options that people have created. Here's a really cool one of Supergirl. There's all sorts of really amazing and adorable things that people have created, and you can just see what other people have done, and highly recommend taking a look at some of the other things that people have done. If there's anything that really stands out to you that you quite like, then it's a good idea to, here for example, clone and try. We click that, then you'll see that it's going to give you the option to play with that specific image, and I'm not seeing the prompt here, so I would have assumed that the prompt would have showed up there. But this is where you might want to add your own details. The prompt is optional. If you don't put any information in there, then the AI will just try to grab the image itself and sort of decide what needs to be done there. But if you want more specific results, then you can go ahead and just enter that information there. Since we're on this page here, I will show you just some of the basic functions that are available in the image to video. So you have your motion brush. If you click on that and it doesn't activate, then it's probably because you need to go to the 1.0 model. And then from here, if you click on here, then you're going to see that you have the brush here, and you can change the size of that. So let's say the only thing you want in the image moving is our little elephant here, then you can just paint around that, and that basically tells the generator that you only want that to be moving. Now you'll see that the confirm button is not lit up. In order to make sure that that is lit up, you want to select static area, and then from here you're going to select any area where you don't want any movement happening. One thing you can also do is you can use auto segmentation, and auto segmentation will kind of do a better job perhaps of specifying what it is that you don't want to move. So in this case, we probably don't want the background moving so much. It's not really that necessary, but you'll also see that sometimes when you do the auto segmentation, it might light up something that you don't want to light up. So this is where it might be better to just use the brush. But once you're done, you can go ahead and click on confirm there, and it will begin to generate. We're not going to go through that process just now, just because I want to make sure that we're showing you here an overview of everything. You'll see also, if you're on image to video, you'll see that you have all of your various videos here on the right hand side. So you can go through and look through those. We're going to go ahead and go back to the dashboard here, and you'll see that you've got your AI images and your AI videos. If you want to start with images, this is where you can put in your prompt and you can specify exactly what it is that you're looking for. And I would highly recommend this when you're doing video generations. You want to make sure that you start with a strong image. If you just ask the video generator to produce something from thin air, the results sometimes can be perfectly fine, no problem, but generally speaking, you're going to get better results if you start with your own image. So you can enter in your prompt here, and you have a variety of options here at the bottom. Highly recommend that you look through the different prompts and just see what other people have done and see what the prompts here indicate. Anime 3D style, hyper-realistic oil painting, a mysterious witch casting magic in the forest, clear facial features, octane render, ray tracing, depth of field, super detail. So you can just from that, you can really get an idea of the different ways that you can do your prompts and what you can do with your prompts that you're going to get the best result from. Really great way of educating yourself on how prompts work. Here, you can also add an image reference. So if you have a specific image that you want to use as a reference, then you can put that in there, and that will generate something that is based on the image that you use there. So then from here, let's go ahead and let's take a look at some of the images that I've already produced. And what we can do here, any of these if you hover over them, you're going to be given some additional options. You can download, favorite, you can thumbs up and thumbs down, and I think this is for sending. Yes, so you can publish that there. But if you want to use one of these images as reference for a video, then just go ahead and come down here where it says bring to life, and we'll go ahead and click that. And then that is going to bring us back to our image to video page. From here, you can just click generate, or you have other options here. You have the motion brush, you have some other settings to look at. You've got the camera movement, you've got a negative prompt. You can just click generate and it will generate something. If you want something more specific, then it's a good idea to add specific instructions into your prompt, so that way you're making sure that your results are as close to your liking as possible. So that just gives you a general overview of how Kling works. You can see that a video editor is on the way, but it has not been released yet. So keep that in mind. Also, they do appear to be offering some free credits now in order to be able to use their more premium functions. Before, I did find that it would take quite a long time for a video to generate if you were on the basic tier, but now they are appearing to be giving away some free credits. I believe it's about 300 or so, 336 or so, and I believe that also recycles every month. So they're giving people an opportunity to get in here and play around and not have to wait so long for the generations, which is quite nice of them. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.